So there was a question about how to create this kind of shape, and I made it like this, and I'll also show some problems I ran into along the way. So new sketch. Let's draw some circles like so, and also something in the middle. Finish sketch. First I will create this outer part, and this will serve mainly as a boundary for our wires in the next step. I do this symmetrically, so it goes both up and down. Okay. And now for one of the wires. Small circle here, that will be the diameter of our wire. Finish sketch. And extrude it. And my first thought was to make this extrude symmetric, so it goes both ways like this. But in the extent type, there is no option for two body. So instead of symmetric, select two sides, and this distance, instead of distance here, select two body, and it will be up to there. And same over here, two object, and click away over here. I don't want it to be operation cut, but I want it to be a new body. Okay. So next step is to pattern this. I have a rectangular pattern here, but you also find it down here. Rectangular pattern. And I select this body, and for the axis I select this. And I want it to be symmetric and an odd number. That is enough to cover this. And the problem here, as you will see, they are poking out of our shape. So to get this two body set in the extrude feature to also work on these, I have to select instead of bodies up here, select features and select the extrude feature. And for this to work, I have to change the compute type to adjust. That way every one of the instances will notice that there is the body. I have to stop there. So now for making them go the other way as well. And my first thought was to create a circular pattern of all of them. So select all of the wires, and the axis will be either this one or something that goes around here. And if I just go down to 2, they will flip 180 degrees and create copies, but they are in the same orientation. And that's not what I want. And if I up this to 4, it looks good, but it created lots and lots of borders, as you see here. So each one of them, those are in fact two bodies. Not very elegant. So let's undo that. I figured out I could instead mirror them around a construction plane. So the construction plane has to be 45 degrees between these two. And one way to do that would be to create a plane at angle from this axis. But I recently learned another way to make mid-plane around between two angled faces, and the resulting plane will be right in between them. So let's mirror this, and I will change this from bodies to features and select the extrude and the pattern. And our mirror plane will be this one. Okay. And then we can just combine them all. So select every one of them and combine. Join. Okay. So now you only have two bodies. And first I created a shape in the middle that looked about the same as this one by extruding from our first sketch this profile, make it symmetric, and about the same height as the outer one. And instead of cut, join. Okay. And to get rid of this mess inside there, I made a new extrude from the center profile of the same sketch. Symmetric again, and just cut away. So maybe this is okay, but if you instead need the outer and inner shapes to be more like wires, we will undo those two and instead just get rid of what we don't need here with an extrude. And for profiles, I select both this and this one, and also the outermost one. Symmetric, and cut away. And now we can just create pipes along those two. So pipe. This is the path, and this is already set to 5 millimeters, which was the same as the diameter of those. And join, and OK. Repeat pipe, and this will be our path, and OK. So there you have it. Bye bye.